So the Twake workplace and the choice of the open standards in the Twake workplace. Twake workplace is what we are doing. It's a collaboration platform. It's a chat, mail, calendar, and so on. And at first, it's a global solution. It's made in France, and it is based on the open standards. Most of the applications in the Twake workplace are based on the open standards. At first, I want to say why the open standards. In LINAGORA, we are developing not only open source software, but open system. It's our way, and we want to be open, interoperable, modular, and accessible. And one of the main points of developing open systems, it's an open standards, because you should be able to communicate with other people in terms of systems. Another point about the open system, it's a collaboration, work together, interoperability. You should be able to combine from the pieces the whole picture. Accessibility, modularity, vendor neutrality, transparency, and security, of course, security. And this is the main reasons why it is a good idea to develop your own systems in the open standards. At first, it is public. So, and open means it should be documented well, it should be accessible for all. Interoperability also can be one of the key points, because another guys will develop another systems and they will be able to work together. Team development, you can collaborate with other guys to work on these standards to make your protocols better. Security, if it is open, it means that it's easy to find security bugs, to make some issues about this. And of course, accessibility, that it is accessible for all, it's free, it's open, everybody can read it, collaborate, and all this kind of stuff. This is the main points. And one of the open standards that we are implementing in the Twake workplace is Matrix. What is Matrix? Matrix is a distributed communication protocol. It is, I think, it's a next generation after the XMPP. It's a little bit more, there are a lot of differences, but it's, that's it. So it's open source, it's end-to-end encrypted. Has a federation model when you can have all these, all your own Matrix server, and the most interesting feature is that it's interoperable. You can have bridges and communicate with your friends from your Matrix messenger through the WhatsApp and Telegram also. So it's an architecture of the Matrix Synapse server. It's already developed, and for the Matrix protocol we took it as is, and we are developing only some improvements except of the clients. It's a federation, it's implemented on Python, it uses PostgreSQL as a backend storage, it supports the OIDC, and what is very important, it is extendable. What we are doing is extension for the Matrix protocol. It's a federation server. About if we are talking about the user experience, for example, if you are installing your application, I don't know, based on Matrix, you want to communicate with your friends, and without knowing the exact Matrix address, it will be impossible to reach them right now. But it would be great if you have, for example, your friend email or phone number in your contact phone book to directly reach them through these identifiers. So we proposed the extension of the matrix protocol, where you can have your contacts from your mobile phone. You can consider this federation server is as a global phone, global contact list, but it's distributed and federated. So you have your phone number, you resolve it to the matrix address and start directly communicate with the guy, even if he doesn't use Twake as a messenger, he can use another messenger based on matrix. And that's it, that's what we are doing. But as in every open standard, it has some drawbacks when it's not very easy. The process of the making changes in the protocol took time. So another protocol, open protocol that we are implementing in the Twake workplace, it's JMAP. We also have specific speeches about this, but briefly, it's a HTTP protocol